Has Ra already watched any of your movies already?
No, she's too small to
Yeah.
like watch
Even-
a full movie. She's
Yeah.
watched multiple songs of mine and Ranbir's, and now we've sort of exposed her to other people's songs as well. But I think now she's got this feeling that everything is our song. In fact, the other day, some song played and I was like, oh, it was like, I think it was a Shah Rukh Khan song from Mohabbatein. And I was like, oh, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I was doing some dance step and she's like, Mama, your song? So I was like, no, Mama, Papa's song? So I was like, no, this is Shah Rukh Khan's song.
She's like,
She was not sure.
you've played so many powerful women on screen, so many. And I've always admired you for the choices of roles you've played. I think I said that to you when we first met. What's the one you're excited for her to see? Is there one movie that you think, I can't wait for her to be able to watch this? And obviously at different ages, she'll be able to watch different ones. But
I mean, when she's much older, I'd want her to, and in her own time, watch the films that really sort of shaped me as an actor and the experiences that I learned a lot from. Like, for example, a film like Highway, and a film like Gangubai, or a film like Razi.
Razi, I was about to say.
But in fact, I recently realized that I don't have many some of them, but like very like child friendly
Yeah, no,
films.
definitely.
You
Yeah, that's
know?
why I was saying that.
Yeah.
At a certain age.
Yeah. So in fact, that has made me want to take up a film that is loved by kids, or that is like a kid friendly film.
Yeah.
It's recently made me want to do that. And I'm on the hunt.
Yeah, because now you're looking at your filmography and going, because she's going to have to be 18 years old to watch one.
Exactly. So I was like, yeah, she can watch a couple of films. So I'm not sure how much she'd want to watch, like Gangubai and Highway at this age, or not this age, or even when she's 4 or 5 or 6. I wanted to enjoy films that I like. So I know Brahmastra is a film that kids liked a lot. Like when I meet kids now, they say Brahmastra, or they say like Rocky Rani, and I like this song. Kids they like songs.
Songs, yeah.
I remember, like, I grew up watching songs. I mean, my memory is more so of music. And that really leaves a long-lasting impressions. That's one thing that I feel very grateful for, is that I can sing to my daughter. I mean, I'm glad I have a decent voice, because very often, she demands songs out of me, and I'm just like singing, and I'm like, especially when I'm putting her to sleep. So yeah, now I'm on the hunt to do like more kid-friendly.
Yeah, I love that. I could see you doing a voiceover too of an animation or
I'd love
like
that.
Yeah,
I'd love that.
That would be super fun. I could see you do that. What's a role that you played that you see yourself in that most felt like you? Is there a role that you played that feels like you personality-wise?
I don't say this. A lot of the people who love me and who know me say this, and it's going to sound bizarre, but they say I'm Gangu.
No way.
Yeah, they say that that's my alter ego, the personality, the boisterousness, the way she, not her situation, of course, not her circumstances, but the way she, and I think that's also somehow there was like a nice push and pull in playing that part. She was very gangster. She was very, I think that is my alter ego. I don't think that that's the way I am in my real life. But it is definitely the part that I enjoyed depicting the most. In a sort of humorous way, a lot of my friends and people say, "You're Gangu, she's Gangubai," and they say that. But I think there is some truth to that. Only, I guess, from the essence of the fact that she's a child, but she's got a certain like.
Yeah, she's got some spice.
Yes, exactly.
And some fieriness. And then what's a character or role that you played that you'd like to borrow some energy from?
So I think at this particular moment, I need some playful, bubbly energy, which is like sort of superficial, if you call it, or frivolous, or it's just like
silly.
Yeah. So I was actually thinking about this the other day, but I feel like I need some of that. So
Rocky Rani had a bit of that.
Rocky Rani had that, but she was also a little like a journalist, a little. So maybe I can take it from Rocky's character, not from Rani so much. But there's this character that I played in Hamti Sharma Ki Dulhania. Her name is Kavya. I was actually watching a song of that the other day, and I was like, I don't remember who, that girl was at that time, that feeling. Not like I feel like I'm like old or something like that, but there was like a silliness there that I feel that I can do more with,
Yeah,
you know? Because
yeah,
I
yeah.
think I was pretty silly. And now I've just become a little bit more in control at most times,
Yeah,
which I think I can do with some silliness.
yeah, yeah. I feel like when I met my wife, I was like, I took life very seriously, and she's like just silly and playful all the time. And it's so helpful having that, because otherwise you're so right. You just kind of get stuck in your ways.
But
and-
honestly, because you asked character, so I said I named this character because
Yeah.
I was also watching this song the other day. But actually, when I have my daughter in front of me, and I get that silliness from her.
From her, yeah.
So actually, I just, like I was saying earlier, I just tune into that moment with her. I just need to do it more for me, though, like for my vibe, and not just when I'm with her.
Yeah.
You know, be more open to a silly joke as well.
Yeah.
You know, and like crack a silly joke,
Yeah,
if at all.
yeah,
I think
yeah.
I don't do that anymore.